Hi there and welcome to this week's update from Flygfabriken. We gave up on the two old motor driver card and finally received a surplus unit to find out that the problem is not gone. It's better, but it's not gone. So now we are searching for a new motor because I guess we have had two errors in the same system here. So that was we're looking forward to the coming week. We have also been continuing working with the CNC lathe. So during next week, hopefully, we get something out of that. So we're looking forward to better next week and hope you stay with us. Thank you for watching. Bye.